Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today's video, you guys, is going to be our grocery haul, but we've got a few things we have to consider. So here's the thing, right? Today is Wednesday, the 13th January, and I took today off. I actually had a doctor's appointment earlier this morning and I wasn't feeling very well after the appointment, so I just decided to come back home. I'm fine. I just, sometimes you just feel a little, and that's how I feel right now. But the kids and I were on our way home last night from church, and we were discussing the fact that we now have a very full schedule, meaning Alana takes piano lessons. So she takes piano. It's just her, the piano teacher, and me, just us three, and that's on Monday nights. While sister's at piano, Jackson is at taekwondo. Tuesday nights, both the kids have taekwondo and we have church. Wednesday, fortunately, praise God, we don't have any place we have to be, but I teach a teen class on Wednesday night. I also teach a Bible study on Monday nights. Thursday night is taekwondo, and I don't have a class on Thursday. Friday is taekwondo. And usually my sister and my best friend come over on Friday night. It's BYOF, bring your own food. I used to cook and stuff, but I just don't have time. Saturday mornings, I teach a class. I have to get Alana from work. And then Saturday evenings, we have coffee and conversation. So with all of that being said, there's one day a week that I am not actually somewhere else. And I can actually be at home. But we need meals for all of those types of things. And we have not meal prepped in a long time. So we end up looking and scrounging around for meals. And that's not how I live my best life. So living my best life, I've got to be able to meal prep some things. So we're getting ready to go down the grocery list. I have $50 for groceries this week. I don't think I'm going to do preps. I don't think I'm doing preps this week because I need to spend all the money for groceries. I probably need a little more than $50, but I'm going to work within what I have and just make it work. I saw canned goods at Harris Teeter. I haven't checked it. I haven't checked the sales ads for Food Line, which I'm sitting here at my computer. And I'm going to try to check the Food Line ad and the Aldi ad. I'm probably going to end up shopping at Aldi. I'd love to just shop at Food Line and not have to go far. And oh no, I gotta go to Walmart because I have to get some ink. I haven't been to Walmart in a while. And a friend of mine is I'm gonna take that printer back. So we'll need to put that in Mom's car. I bought Trandon a printer for Christmas, but he did not come to get it. So I'm thinking instead of shipping one, I'll just order him one at Amazon and send it to his house like that, and it'll be fine as well. So I'm gonna take that one back to Walmart and see if they'll refund my money for that. Because I need to buy some paint for the laundry room project. And the kids and I are going to probably actually work on that today. But we need to get some meal prepping done. A friend of mine is bringing over rotisserie chicken later. I've got to print something out for her, so that's why she's coming over. So I said, hey, if you happen to go by Costco, would you mind picking up a chicken? She was like, perfect, I'll do that. So I'm planning to do a buffalo chicken salad with that rotisserie chicken. And then we'll probably do that chicken and cauliflower rice soup that we like, that we haven't had in a long few whiles. Just to give us some already prepped ahead meals. Now, I may prep them and freeze them. Then we can take them back out and thaw them. The only reason I don't like doing prep aheads is because some people in this house don't understand that prep ahead doesn't mean you eat it all right now. And if they see it, they're like, oh, I'm going to have one of these and one of those and one of them and one of these. And you're like, that is for tomorrow, or that's for the next, and they don't actually get it. So we're going to work on the grocery list. Over here smiling. Over there smiling. Yeah, Mother Pom. And then we don't have any food. I'm like, I've already prepped. No, ma'am. Doesn't matter if you prepped. You're not eating it. So we're going to work on the grocery list. I'm going to go to the grocery store. I don't feel the best, but I'm still going to the grocery store. Because I must. We will bring you guys along.
2014. In 17, you have Crystal in Boston. Only adopted 5 months apart. And not even that. Mom, what are you doing? But what I'm saying is, do you see what's happening here?
No.
They have 11 children who are adopted within 11 years. And they didn't even adopt every single year. By the way, Robert and Addison were adopted 16.
By the way, Jackson, are you planning on putting on shoes?
What do you mean?
Mom, we're making a grocery list.
I'm trying.
Yeah.
But you over here talking about more winter.
What do you mean?
Wait, Mom. Look at this grocery list I made like probably
I have to
2
go
weeks
to
ago.
the grocery store, bud.
And you want me to go with you?
I really don't want to go at all, but it has to happen.
It really does, because we need some stuff.
Because I just don't feel like it.
And with eggs and water.
And / cheese.
Eggs and water.
Well, Ma, you technically do need eggs now, and then you do need water. You're the one who's
I
taking
need
off
water.
You have a bucket of eggs.
One?
Technically 1 now.
Why don't I check when I go take y'all tomorrow?
No, you can. There's still enough eggs.
There's still enough eggs for tomorrow.
I'm just
Well,
saying,
like,
normally
maybe-
they have them at the good sale
You
at
wanna
that
go
Walmart.
I'll still put on the list anyways.
Perfect for the list anyways.
I'm still gonna put heavy cream. I
Heavy cream.
Bought some, but heavy cream is in everything.
Why don't
You
you put on
can't
my
escape
boots?
that.
Why don't you put on my boots?
Without socks.
Yes.
I don't think there's anything at Food Line this week I'm going to be able to. I think I'm going to have to shop at Aldi.
Ew.
I think so.
Aldi.
Well, because they don't have no good sale.
Well, Aldi does have the bread that I'm putting on the list.
There's no bread coming in this house this week. No bread or wraps are coming in this house this week. None.
Okay.
They got kale for 99 cents each.
Hell
So do I mark milk off the list? I didn't put it on there.
I'm not going to Harris Teeter. So that's the only place I can find the kind y'all like.
no. Nothing really matters to
If
me.
there's something I could put in the almond
Oh, Mom,
milk,
we
I'll
need
make
to
it
try.
taste
Mom, we need to
better.
find.
Can you find like maybe like some
No, Mom.
drop-ins?
You need to find the original unsweetened and no vanilla, because Dad said that one's good, but he said the vanilla's pretty bad.
Who?
Dad. He said he likes the original unsweetened, but vanilla unsweetened isn't good.
He said he likes the original unsweetened that's not vanilla.
What? Almond milk? Oh.
We'll try
I get it.
We'll try it.
Y'all have already tried it. Why do you think I get vanilla?
We have?
We have.
I'll get regular. It's fine.
Well, if I don't like it, Jackson can drink it.
It's just this one time.
Okay. Anything else?
I didn't think so. Alright. So I'm going to start writing my book this week.
Can I go to sleep?
I'm sure write a book.
I will.
I did.
Take her out. While we'll
Maybe.
finish working on the grocery
to
list.
walk.
To walk for a few minutes.
Oh, man.
Go outside, Mom.
Yeah, that's what I do. Look at her face.
Alrighty, everybody. So the kids and I are back from the group. Well, me and Jackson. Alana did not go. She had things to do. We are back from the grocery store. And this is what I was able to get with my $50 for groceries this week. I thought I would be able to get a lot more. I did not. But I got some good things. So I'm going to go with it. It was a little bit more than 50. It's probably closer to 70. And then I ended up getting some paint. So I'll tell you about this. So we're doing the laundry room as a part of the 14-week home organization challenge. So I ended up getting this semi-gloss paint plus primer. This is the Color Place brand. I know they make other brands, but we don't have a Lowe's or Home Depot where I live. Walmart is it. So that, and I also picked up this sponge for the roller and a rolling pan to for the painting. And we got this color. It's Sahara Desert Sand. That's the one we got. All right. Jackson picked up him a few things. He got some Gala apples and some cinnamon apple rice cakes. That was $6 and some change. He had a gift card and he paid for his own. This was $21 and some change. I think everything here, 21 to for 26, 27, so somewhere in there. And then back to the groceries. Oh, in order to get this, I had a printer that I needed to return. That Trandon did not come for Christmas to pick up. So I'm just going to order him one on Amazon and send it to his house directly. So I took the printer back and I got the money. Oh, well, I actually got it on a gift card because I didn't have the receipt. And then I just, you know, paid for the paint because I had planned to just get the paint anyway. So that's how I was able to pay for the paint. I had to put a few dollars, like $6 or something to it. But that's how I paid for that paint for the laundry room. All right. So for meals, okay, we have cabbage, 78 cents a pound. Alana asked for the pepperoni. This was $3.56. This is thin sliced sandwich pepperoni. And she's going to make that with the cream cheese and the no sugar added gherkins. So $3.56 for a half a pound. 2 things of sliced cheese were $1.84 each. Red hot sausages, I got 2 of those for $1.48. Pink salmon was $4. The tilapia was $3.78. The shrimp was $5.62. And then the family size regular sausage was $6.64. I just went ahead and went to Walmart because I was already there for the paint anyway. And I didn't want to go to multiple stores. Spinach was a little bit less than $3. So I got a big bag so we can get some greens in this week. Whole white baby shrooms were $1.48. Then we picked up the 2 Good yogurt. I got 4 of those. I usually eat half for lunch and then the other half for the next day's lunch. $1.24 each. Cauliflower was $1. We got 4 of those. Cream cheese was $1.57. Sweet gherkins were a little bit less than $3, like $2 and some change. Almond Breeze unsweetened original was $2.56. They didn't have the Walmart brand. And then sour cream was 92 cents. Picked up some strawberries. I think this was like $2.62. They didn't have a lot of stuff. Heavy whipping cream I needed, they didn't have. They didn't have the Walmart brand of that. Lots of things were just open and empty. So at Walmart, I spent probably about $70. So again, I had it was $90 altogether. So I had $20 on the paint. That was a gift card from the exchange. And then I had $50 from my grocery budget, and then I had to pull another $20 from my gas envelope because I didn't have any more money, but that's what I spent. And then I had a little bit of gas money left, and I went over to the Pig and picked up, this is pork loin, and so I got 2, 4, 6, 8 of these for less than $8. And these are pretty thick. They're a 1/4 inch thick. And we're going to go ahead and get those squared away. So as far as cook aheads, we're actually getting ready to start doing a few things. We're going to put some eggs in the Instant Pot for deviled eggs. And then I'm going to switch out and do the cabbage with some greens. So I'm going to do a mixture of a canned greens plus the cabbage, butter cabbage. Then I'm going to actually have Jackson make some cornbread. So we'll have cornbread for a couple of days. Now, Jackson doesn't really like cornbread. Sister likes it and I like it. So we'll have some for tonight's meal and then we will put the rest in the fridge. We're going to go ahead also and season up the pork chops so we can do the pork chops. I thought they were going to have pigtails. They were out of pigtails or didn't get any on the truck. So we'll do the pork chops. My friend is bringing over a chicken. So I'm going to do buffalo chicken salad because I have some celery I need to use up, and I'm also just going to do some regular chicken salad. So that'll be 2 salads, and then whatever's left from the thigh meat, the leg meat, and the wing meat, I'll use the breast meat for the salads. And then for the rest of the meat, we're going to do a chicken soup, the cauliflower chicken soup. That's my friend right now. And so there it is, you guys. Everything we're going to do over the next little bit of time for meal prep planning. If you like the video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.